Thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Grandma Cat's Corner. Today, well, before I even tell you what the subject is, every Friday I do one of these little segments, and you don't have to agree with what I talk about. And that's cool. But someone out there that hears my voice do agree. So we can agree to disagree. Not everyone is going to agree with your opinion, and that's all right. Why would you continue to discuss the subject when the person you're speaking with made the statement, let's agree to disagree? Stop the subject. They are done. Let it go. Further conversation could be destructive. So if you don't want to hear my voice, or if you don't want to listen to this segment, then don't click on it. It's cool. We all take in different information and then interpret this information in our own unique way. When young children exhibit a fixed mindset and struggle to accept the opinions, ideas, and viewpoints of others, it's hard for them to see, excuse me, what the other person is saying also makes sense. Believe what others think matters. Give them the chance to explain and express their point of view. Actively listen in order to understand that person. When we teach our children and grands the process of respectful listening, they are able to find common ground while still appreciating their individual opinion. And we all have that, your own individual opinion. So what I put out every Friday is just that, my opinion. You got yours, I got mine. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you, or I'll see some of you next Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye.